Have you started your first YouTube video? Have you started to be able to build an audience by using YouTube? Well, if you have not, you want to pay attention to this message because I believe you need to start your first YouTube video today. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to start your first YouTube video, and we're going to talk about why you should do it today. So if this is your first time here at this channel, hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget that bell notification when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day, and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to talk about you should be doing YouTube videos to enhance yourself, your business, and everything around you. So reason why you should start your YouTube channel is because when you start a video, it is a good way of building an audience and connecting with the relationship on a one-on-one basis. Because right now we're one-on-one, we're talking right now about starting a YouTube video. So YouTube is powerful, and it's mainly because of a few things. It's because YouTube is the second largest search engine on the internet. Google's number one. You got YouTube number two, that Google's own YouTube. So now if I'm typing in how to start a YouTube video, somebody can find me. I can be found. So you can be found. It's the largest search engine. It's a way of building relationship. It's a way of building an audience on there. And YouTube is one of those things where it's kind of like you can have something to talk about. You can actually talk about selling this product. You know, you can, oh, this cell phone here is black. I like the way it shapes, you know, it's on sale right now. And you know what? When you click on it, it lights up very well and you can change the lighting. You see how I'm describing that? It's a way of describing any product that you're advertising and selling. It's a way of starting your own TV show. You can have a show about anything, right? So, I mean, it's one of those things that it can really, really make a difference on somebody's life. You can have a channel really about politics. You can have a channel about, you know, defending, you know, the country on certain products or certain services. You could talk about anything like that. And affiliate marketing is great for it because if you got products and services that you're selling of your own, or you leveraging other people's products, you could talk about that video. And matter of fact, right below this video, I do have an unbelievable opportunity if you're interested in starting your online business online, and we will get you the teaching and the coaching to learn how to do that. You'll learn how to do that, make money online, and you'll learn the skill set so that way you can fire your boss one day, or you can keep your job and just make the money on the side. So I do have that information right below this video to get started. Now you see how I did that. You know, YouTube channel is basically marketing products that you have that can help somebody, right? Like the product I just described there, I can help you with that, right? Because the same product that I use, it's the same service that I'm in, and it's a good service. So I'm going to share with you that it's a good service. You should go ahead and join the opportunity, and I'll be there to help you there as well. So it's a way of kind of describing something as well. So start your YouTube channel today, your video today. And if it's your first time doing your video, just go ahead and just do it for the first time. That video subject can be about anything. It doesn't necessarily need to be about, you know, something professional and something, you don't need to have a script out. Just do the video about introducing who you are and talk about your story. Talk about what's on your mind. Talk about your goals. Talk about the things that makes you afraid and things that makes you alive, things like that. So that first video or two, it could be an introduction of who you are. And what you'll find, people be like, well, I kind of like him. Well, I kind of like her. I like her already because she's authentic. She's transparency. See, video can do that. Video can bring that. It can bring the other side too. But it also can bring who you are, because if I'm doing videos every day, which I do, you're going to learn and see exactly how I am, the energy, how I'm transparent, that I'm always trying to help you out growing your business, your mind, things like that. So you'll learn and see exactly how I am, and all of a sudden we got a relationship. not a real relationship, because I got the wife in there. She's still in there. So so start your first video today. Don't worry about being nervous, because it's normal, because I was nervous my first video. And it's okay if you make mistakes, because you're going to do that. Especially if your first video and you've never done it before, their mistakes may be made. But don't worry about it. Keep doing it. Be positive. Watch other videos on YouTube of how they're doing videos and how they're delivering things, how they're selling things, how they're advertising things, and things like that. And you'll go ahead and learn and you'll crush it. So start your first video today. How to start your first video, your YouTube video today. Go ahead and start that video today. Press record. Then you need that red record button. Press record and go ahead and start building your own audience and start your video channel today. So that's all I got today for you, because it's just me and you right now. Don't forget, click on the link below to start your online business as well. You can use YouTube, you can use video to how to build your business online, right? You can use that. So I can't wait for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow on the next video. Have a good day.